Once a canary his love did bemoan, locked in an old cage to live all alone. While out in the wild world he wanted to roam and fly with the birds in the trees. Now the spirit that we sing of was lonesome. He wanted to fly in the breeze, but all he could do was to eat and to sing and swing on his flying trapeze.